Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I am going to show you how to log into your Costco account. Open any web browser, I am using Google Chrome, and then on the search bar type costco.com. You will then land on the homepage of Costco. You will see many options there. If you look at the top of the screen, you will see a search bar, and on the right side of the search bar, you can see sign in or register option. Click on sign in. Click on email address and type your email address. Make sure it is the same email address that you used while creating your account. And then click on password and type your password. If you do not want to log in every time you visit the Costco website, then you can click on keep me signed in. It will remember your password and you do not have to log in again and again. When you are done, click on sign in. You have now successfully logged into your Costco account. I hope you found this video useful. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching.